Oshin C here. I provide reviews, lessons, tutorials, life hacks, life coaching, advice, whatever I think of, I'm posting, which is a horrible YouTube technique, but what I'm doing is whatever's in my head, I want to put it in your head. I'm a guy who wears many hats, and I try to help people out as much as I can and with teaching. Today I got a review on a nifty tool in my car. I drive an older car and it only has a CD player. No Bluetooth in this fancy schmancy car. This car was made in the 1600s. So only got a CD player and radio, obviously. Today I'm going to review a Bluetooth USB charger device I ordered off of Amazon. I will have the links down below for different kinds, but this one I've been using for about 2 months. I'm very happy with. Let's check it out. What is that? What is this thing? What is this? What is this? What is this? So, what brand is this? It's like this Chinese, I bought it. It's called the BC298B Bluetooth FM transmitter. What are you saying? Anyway, so it comes with the typical lighter, stick it in thingamabobber thingy. The cool thing about this, and what got me to purchase this, is if I get my USB out, it has one 2.4 amp and one 1.0 amp USB charger. Most of my chargers in this car have broken within 2 to 3 weeks. So it goes in there, plug it into the stronger one. I can't even see. I'll figure that out later. But then when you turn on your car, hi, how are you, BT? No, not blowtorch. The best. It is actually pretty damn good. The way it works, you're gonna hold. She had suggested. Shut up. You're gonna hold and find whatever channel you want to use. I had it on 88.7, 88.3 worked as well. And then, okay, let's do 88.3. The radio's on. Okay. Now I had changed it to 88.7 because you hear that hissing. I guess the satellite moved or whatever, and the frequency got worse, so I went to 88.7, which a lot less hissing. I don't know if you could tell. In any case, you could make calls. If you double tap this, it will call the last person you had called, and you could end the call with that. Pretty typical. Tap once while your music is playing that side, it will skip forward. Tap that, and then you could rewind or skip backwards with the back arrow. If you could see that tiny thing, it also has a mic, which is very convenient. So I've been able to hear everything through my speakers because it transmits through the FM radio. Now, the really cool part is I could remove that. It has this magnetic thing, a micro SD. So if you have your own MP3s and you want to play it through that, you could do that. And so if I want to, for a moment, bring it here while I'm talking and steering Very dangerous. Don't try it. You could. And then it just magnetized, snaps back. There you have it. Like and subscribe. I will be having more and more videos of different types of things, reviews, tutorials, and a bunch of other things that come up. I am going to record and provide hopefully valuable entertainment for you. And if you subscribe and like, I will know to continue. Thank you.